Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about mastering the OS library in Python. So Python's OS module allows your program to interact with the different operating system. So with OS, you can work with folder and files, check paths, create, rename or delete directories, read environment variables, list folder contents and run system command. So it is used in automation, DevOps and file handling and system scripts. So let's understand this with some examples. So the first one is to check the working directory. So in this, firstly we'll import the library and now simply we'll print the directory. So this will print the current working directory for us. So here we can see the current directory is printed. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is changing the working directory. So for this also simply we'll import the library and this will change the working directory. So this will change the working directory and now we'll print the working directory and let's see the output. So here we can see the output. So here os.change directory changes the current working path and helps you work in different folders without typing full paths. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is list all files and folders in a directory. So for this we'll import the library and now we'll see all the items present in this directory. So this will print all the items present in the directory and now we'll see the output. So here we can see all the items present in this directory. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is create a new folder. So here we have imported the library and now we'll create a new folder. And now we'll print a message that folder created. So let's see its output. So here we can see the test folder is created in the directory. If folder already exists, then Python raises an error. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is create nested folders. So this will create folder inside folders. So this will create nested folders. So now we'll see its output. So here we can see the folder created successfully. So here we have created nested folders in the directory. Now we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is rename a file or a folder. So for this also firstly we have to import the library, then we'll write os.rename. This will help us in renaming our folder. So we'll rename the same folder we have created. So this is the folder we have created before and now we'll rename this to renamed folder. So here we have renamed the folder and now we'll print it. So here we have renamed the folder and now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the folder automatically remains and updates the name. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is delete a folder. So for this also we'll import the library and now with using the directory we'll delete the folder. So we'll delete the renamed folder and now we'll see its output. So here we can see os.rm directory deletes empty folders only. So if the folder has file, it will throw an error. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is read environment variables. So we'll import the library and now we'll print the environment variable. So this will print the environment variable name. So os.getEnv fetches system environment variable which is used in authentication, DevOps and configuration. So let's see its output. So here you can see the output. So by mastering the OS library, you can learn how to control directories and paths, automate folder creation, interact with system commands, read operating system configuration and build real automation scripts. So the OS module turns Python into a powerful system automation tool which is used in file management, server script and DevOps pipeline. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials and thanks for watching today's video.